Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to change your YouTube handle. Open your favorite browser. Go to youtube.com. Click on the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Select the Google account you want to use. If you are signing in for the first time, you may be asked to enter your email address, enter your password and click next. You are signed in to your YouTube account. Now click on your profile picture at the top right corner of the page. Select YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. You will be redirected to your channel dashboard page. Now in the left sidebar, click on Customization option. Scroll down to Handle section. You can see your current YouTube handle here. Click on the field to edit it. Enter the new handle you want to use. Check if it is available. YouTube will notify you if the handle is already taken or if it is available. Try different options until you see the green check mark. As you can see, our preferred handle is available. Click on the Publish button in the top right corner of the page to save the changes. Changes have been saved. Now go to the channel page to view the changes. That's it, our new YouTube handle is now live. This is how you can change your YouTube handle. Thank you for watching.